this tutorial, I would like to show you how you can use one of our latest feature, the Hide Anything feature. To do so, I will open up a RobotDK station file, which is a real-life recording from of a coating process. Just to have a kind of imagination. So first, the coating was starting here, then doing the top line. Just make it a little bit faster. So the outline first, and then with these snake lines, the inner part, and then the lower part of the workpiece was coated as well by this cobot. You can see that we have approximately 1600 waypoints recorded for this task. So this is quite a complex one. And in several cases, this might happen that you would like to manipulate some of the waypoints. And to do so, you might want to select the points on the screen, but you can see even at this. So at this situation, the robot might disturbing your clear view or the selection of the waypoints of the targets. So for this, you should hide some features if it's the tool, if it's the frame, and not clicking over everything. We are just recommending using one of our afterwork tools, and this is the Hide Anything tool in this case. Anyhow, the afterwork tools you can always find from the installation folder, either in the Easy Automator or in the raw path track folder, depending on the version what you are using. And here you can find the afterwork tools. So once started, then you can see that this is a rather easy and simple tool, nothing complicated. I just stick to the robot, so you can hide or show anything. So robot, frame, tool, object, targets. I will stick to the robot, and if I click it, then the robot is just disappearing suddenly. And then I know I have the possibility that I can select here some of the waypoints. So I'm just using view, select items, and let me say I'm just selecting these waypoints, and you will see in the tree, I just zoom in a manner that you can see the tree, that these waypoints most probably they are not even neighbored each other. Here you can see, so these were the points which I was selected at this demonstration, and in some other videos I will show you how you can use this feature as an additional supporting tool to make your job very fast complete with RobotDK and with Easy Automator.